Have you ever been let down by contractors? No show, low quality work, or simply overpriced? That ends today. Maintaining your home is hard enough, and I believe finding contractors should be the easiest. You've already invested your money in your property. Why should you sink your time into them too? I mean, why do you have to run around chasing quotes and reaching out to contractors to give them work? Why can't they come to you? Well, now they can. Try ChoreRelief, the fastest growing home service app in the market. You post your job with your budget and the time you want it done, then watch the bids come rolling in. No searching, no phone calls, no wasted time. And all you gotta do is select one of the bids and work can start as little as 1 hour. It's that simple. But don't take my word for it. I want you to try it for yourself. Perhaps you have some cleaning or light maintenance that needs to be done. Download the app and post a simple job so you can see how it works. The app is free and there are no hidden fees.